Everyone, my name is Ganendra Kumar. I am biology educator in India. In this video, we are going to discuss about prions. So, prions are infectious misfolded protein. Scientists believe that normally in our cells, normal prion proteins also present. Normal prion protein, which have some normal function. I am indicating this normal prion protein by PRP C. PRPC is normal prion protein and it have a role in synapses of neuron. Whenever there will be any kind of misfolding during protein synthesis, I am repeating it, misfolding, and this normal protein got misfolded, it will convert into an infectious particle that is called prion. Okay, this prion I am indicating by PRPSC. Why I am indicating in PRPSC? Because it was documented in scrappy disease in the sheep. Scrappy disease in sheep. Now this infectious protein PRPSC, that means prion protein, can bind with normal prion protein which have normal function in the synapses of neuron, and they can convert into the infectious form. Like you see, suppose I have this normal prion protein. This is normal prion protein. It will bind with infectious protein, and then infectious protein, prion protein, will convert into prion. Now both became infectious. Now this two infectious protein, again they will bind with the normal prion protein, and then finally they will convert into the infectious protein. So like that, this prion will increase their number. They will bind with the normal prion protein, and then they will convert into the infectious prion protein. Now this prions, they causes diseases in animals. Like one disease, bovine spongiform encephalopathy. Bovine means animals, cows and all. Spongiform, it's actually this prion causes infection in their brain, and it damages their brain neurons and causes sponge like appearance. Sponge, sponge was for washing this we are using like that, or sponge itself also animal which have so many pores. So same kind of porous appearance of the brain, the brain normal appearance will be changed into the porous form. So bovine means animal, spongiform means sponge, encephalon means brain. So this prion will infect that normal brain and convert into the spongiform kind of brain. Actually what they do, they damages brain tissues. They will damage brain tissues, and after damaging brain tissue, cyst will form in that, and finally it will look like a sponge. Yes, and it causes scrappy disease in sheep. And here also they will infect brain of the sheep. Disease in sheep. Then they causes mad cow disease. So it's natural. Mad cow disease will be in cows. In human also it can cause infection, and it causes a disease that also related to the brain of the human. That's called Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. I'm writing here in human. So we should more concern about this, as this causes disease in human. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Or it can cause Kuru disease. In human. And in these all cases they infect mainly brain only. They can infect mainly neurons of the brain. Now what will be symptoms in these all diseases? The symptoms in these all diseases can be the person will feel difficulty in walking. There will be problem of confusion if it is human, that they will have like a, if it the person is human, so dementia will be seen. Dementia means the person memory power, memory power will be damaged, so there will be poor memory problem, lack of coordination will be there. So this is the problem that person is facing. Now how it's transmit? So it can transmit from a, like we have a sheep and that is infected with prion. Someone is eating meat of that sheep, he will also get infected. Yeah, he will also get infected. Or the person who is suffering from prion, he may be the person have Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease or Kuru disease, and if he donated blood, or he went for organ transplantation, or any kind of surgical equipment was used in the infected person and normal person also, so it can transmit infection.